Hello everybody, welcome back to Keto in the Chaos. My name is Tammy and this is a bonus video. So tonight we're going to show you how we make our own homemade tzatziki sauce and little Greek chicken lettuce wraps that are great for a keto way of eating and are also really great for doing a higher protein, moderate fat keto. I hope you enjoy it. Okay, so here are the ingredients for the tzatziki sauce. Mostly you're gonna need yogurt. I use the 0% because I am keeping my fats low, but you can use full fat if you prefer. A cucumber, lemon or lemon juice, garlic, fresh dill or fresh mint, feta cheese, and salt and pepper to taste. So this is just going to be for the sauce. Then for the actual wraps, we have butter lettuce to put it in, tomatoes to put on the top, Kalamata olives to put on the top, and I like to put a little green onion, but you can put white onion or yellow onion, it's up to you. And we are currently boiling our chicken because it's pretty easy to shred that way, and we're going to show you how we're going to make the sauce. Okay, so we peeled our cucumber and we're just going to cut it up into sections. And we're going to put it in the food processor. I have no idea why he's doing this with the lemon. He must really love it. He's giving it a massage.
Juicing it. You juice it.
I wouldn't know. I don't cook. Now we have to take the seeds out because we probably should have put it in a strainer. Whoopsie. Oh my gosh. Okay, we're gonna add a teaspoon of garlic. It's more than a teaspoon.
I like a little more.
Okay, but we have to measure that because we have to put the there's carbs in garlic.
6 sprays.
So this is fresh dill and it calls for a whole tablespoon, so I cut up quite a bit. I'm assuming tablespoon in volume, not tablespoon in weight, because this stuff's really light.
Don't get the big heavy stems.
Yeah, just use the ends, not the big parts of the stem. Okay, just add that to the food processor. You're gonna what? Make it so that it's what? Like all blended up or tiny?
Blend this up so that it cuts all this stuff up before you add the yogurt.
Now normally wouldn't you just do the cucumbers by themselves and then like salt them and wait for the juice to drain out?
You can do it that way, but the thicker yogurt you don't need to drain them as much as...
I don't know, we never do the draining part. So when you see the recipe you'll see that, but we never do that. Alright. Looks like that. Oh yeah, we need to put the salt and pepper in there. Put salt and pepper however much you want. It's no recommended amount, I don't think. So the recipe calls for 3 cups of yogurt, and we are weighing ours in not the right thing. There we go. And 1 cup of yogurt, as we all know, if you watch my channel, is 227 grams.
How much is 3?
3 cups would be 200 times 3 is 600, and 27 times 3 is 75, 70, oh man, 81, so 681 grams. ton. And so if you don't use this all, like we obviously aren't gonna eat all that. That's a lot. You could probably freeze it, I would imagine. I don't know. We usually just put it in a container in the fridge and try and use it, but it looks really good. Okay, so we boiled up our chicken breasts, and this is the way we are gonna shred the chicken. We're gonna use potato masher. And just squish them. And then probably use a fork to pull them apart. Okay, and here's what it looks like all put together. Just wrap this up and eat it like a little... And that's how you make Greek butter, lettuce, wrap, tzatziki sauce, taco things. Yummy. Euros?
Chicken.
Chicken euros?
Chicken lettuce wrap.
Chicken lettuce wrap euros. There we go. Woohoo. That's what I'm gonna call it. All right. Thanks for hanging out with us. Talk to you again soon.